Hey guys, so in this video I'll be going over glycogen breakdown. So glycogen breakdown. Okay, so first we have this giant glycogen molecule. It's connected by alpha 1,4 linkages. And then sometimes we get branches connected by alpha 1,6 linkages. Alright, so we're going to have this enzyme called glycogen phosphorylase, nicknamed it GP for short. It's going to break down the alpha 1,4 linkages of glycogen. This is going to be called phosphorylasis. It's kind of the same as hydrolysis, but we're going to use phosphate instead of water. And essentially what it's going to do is it's going to take this phosphate molecule and it's going to attach it to this glucose, forming a glucose 1-phosphate. This is energy efficient because it does not require any ATP. It's not a kinase reaction, it's a phosphorylase reaction. It's going to only attack at the non-reducing end, not the reducing end. What happens when we get G1P, this glucose 1-phosphate? Well, it's going to get converted to glucose 6-phosphate, so we can use it for glycolysis. Or a number of things. This is going to be done by phosphoglucomutase, PGM. It moves this group 1 phosphate, this phosphate on the carbon number 1 to a phosphate on carbon number 6. Let's do real quick. So when it can undergo, so this can undergo glycolysis, which is done in the muscle, or it has the option of going to the liver and being converted to glucose directly through hydrolysis. It's going to break this down. So over here we can get ATP and NAD. And so now what happens if we reach one of these branches right here? This branching enzyme right here. Well, we're going to need something else. We need something called a glycogen debranching enzyme, GDE for short. And what this is going to do, it's going to transfer 3 of these glucose units to the non-reducing end. And it's gonna also hydrolyze the last glucose off using hydrolase. So transferase does this, and hydrolase does that. It's gonna and break this off, and it's gonna result in a free glucose directly. So you have free glucose. And this is glucose breakdown in a nutshell.